Kyle Bradley from Chaparral Motorsports here with a very unique opportunity to be installing these brand new FLO 160 levers on this WR250F of Suburban Delinquents. As you can see, this lever here got a little bit tweaked on the last ride. So today we're putting some unbreakable levers. Now, what does that mean? It means that these levers will fold in any direction that pressure is applied to them. Not only are they going to be unbreakable, but they're going to be adjustable on the fly as well. You can adjust the clutch lever, you can adjust the reach. So fully adjustable and unbreakable, made out of a super strong billet aluminum. These levers are gonna last the lifetime of this motorcycle. So come on in close and we'll get busy as we do the installation of these levers on this WR250F. Now, please take a look at our other video where we give you the detailed breakdown of what makes these levers so amazing. Let's get busy. The brake lever here is really simple. The first thing you're gonna do is pull back the rubber housing here so you can get to this nut and bolt right here. So the new FLO lever sits into place quite simple. Like I said, they did a really good job at machining this stuff so it fits perfectly. We have a little dust cap here that we're now going to slip over the top. You're going to notice here that I went ahead and lubricated the sleeve here a little bit so that we get some nice fluid action, if you will. So this knob right here is going to allow your micro adjustment, which you can do on the fly, click by click, minute adjustments, as compared to some stock levers that give you just 3 different clicks and you go really far out to really close, or there's not much adjustment at all. Let's go ahead and set this wrench up in place right here at the F here on the FLO on my side. And you're going to see that on this side over here, we're right at the P, just behind the P. We're going to have almost a full inch of adjustment, so you'll be able to get that perfect amount of distance simply by rotating this dial. So now that we're adjusted all the way out, we're going to go ahead and set our wrench back up in the same place that we had it before. If you remember, this lever was back behind the P, sitting right here before. Now we're almost an inch further forward. The amount of adjustability and the ease of the adjustability is key with these FLO levers. All right, now that we're done with the brake side, we're gonna move over to the clutch side. Now the clutch comes with a full perch replacement. Now the one thing that we're gonna miss out on this particular side is that hole needing to pull the clutch in while you start. We're gonna go ahead and button that one back and not use it. But as you can see, this new lever is gonna have the same adjustability that brake lever had. It's gonna be nice. So the one thing we're not gonna be able to reuse on this is this right here is your switch that allows the bike not to start if the clutch isn't engaged. We're going to go ahead and delete that, if you will, and install the FLO levers. Push the boot over. Slide that guy off. We'll slide that guy off. Currently, the way the bike comes from the factory, if the clutch is not engaged, the bike will not start. But as it sits against this lever right here. Now, once the clutch gets engaged, this little lever gets released and therefore allowing the bike to start, like we have now. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna tuck this away. We just need to warn the rider that that safety switch has been disabled. And there you have it. We just finished up the installation of the Pro 160 levers from FLO Motorsports. So here we have the levers adjusted all the way out. Now, if you can see the reach on this, it's actually too far from my fingers. So with a couple quick clicks of this dial right here, we can dial these back. You can actually dial these back so far that it's uncomfortable for my own hands. The lever can be that close to your bar. And in the case of an off, the reason we installed these to begin with, they're unbreakable. Take a look at the amount of movement that these levers have. And if you did happen to break one, they have a lifetime warranty as well. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thanks for tuning in to this installation of the new FLO Motorsports 160 unbreakable levers. If what you saw today was helpful or you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. If you want more action like this, hit the subscribe button and you're gonna see us come in your inbox every time that we release a video. Thanks for watching. I'm Kyle. Until next time, take care and ride safe.